everyone. So what you're seeing are the beans that I made yesterday with the scrambled egg. Put a little salsa and cheese on it off to the side. A little later, I probably won't be able to do this all at once, but maybe like a mid-morning snack. I am going to have one of my yogurts. I'm gonna show you what I'm having for breakfast. Sorry, I got a little over enthusiastic. I am going to show you what I am having for breakfast. Some of you have asked, since I've changed how I eat, a little bit. Like I've cut out a lot of carbs. Basically, is what I've done. But so this is what I'm having for breakfast. I'm incorporating the scrambled eggs that I showed you how to cook and the beans that we made yesterday. I mixed a little salsa, some shredded cheese, and like I said, my mid-morning snack will probably be one of my yogurts, which is a 000 yogurt, which has more protein in it. So the total calorie count between this and the yogurt is 364 calories with 31 grams of protein. And that's really good. I'm supposed to keep my protein levels between 25 and 30 per meal because I'm supposed to have 90 grams of protein a day. So this is what works for me. If you want to see some other food ideas that I eat, let me know in the comments below. Also, I know I keep saying this, we, meaning Aaron and I, are going to be doing a couples video. So if you have any couples questions, feel free to ask us, and we are so excited to do that video, and we'll be doing that one together. So yeah, this is what I have for breakfast. Sometimes, not all the time, I have to change it up, otherwise I'll get bored. But this is what I'm having for breakfast today. And so if you, like I said, if you want to see other videos of what I'm going to have, for lunch or for dinner, let me know. Until next time, probably tomorrow, live, laugh, and love. As a side note, I almost forgot, I am going to change my filming times. It's very difficult to film when the kids and Aaron are home because I want to spend time with them. So they're home on the weekends. So I'll be filming Monday through Friday and taking the weekends off. And that's usually what I do for my exercise too, is I will exercise Monday through Friday and take the weekends off to spend with them. So until tomorrow, guys, live, laugh, and love, and have a good day.